Yeah, we're just gonna shoot for the short one. These brakes rolling now, it shouldn't be a problem. We'll see what we can do. Oh boy, soft. Getting this stuff a little harder. And we'll keep our momentum up. That should work, right?
We've got our little 6.5 foot pole, tackle box, water filter. Let's go see if we can catch some. Oh no, bird can't. Oh, hang on guys, hang on. Got him. We got him, guys. Look at that. Come on, big guy. I see the camera. How about that, huh? They got the money. So, live and let live, right?
Alright, so we got done fishing. Only caught one fish, but it's still fun to come out here where there's no one around and just enjoy the peace and quiet. But and stop back on the way back. I realized I should probably try to wash my hands so, you know, plane doesn't smell like fish. I leave it parked out in the woods for a while. And so I wash my hands, come back, and I'm pretty sure something pooped in that little puddle I washed my hands in because it smells like the dead end of a skunk. Oh, or the business end of a dead skunk, if you will. It's horrible. I dry heaved, had to wash it off with my drinking water, but pretty bad. But anyway, we'll see if we can get out of this sand, get up over here to a little bit longer spot to take off. You know, when I'm sitting in here, I only have about 45 pounds on the nose wheel, but it's not very big. All right, we'll see if this thing can roll. Oh yeah. Kind of like drifted a little bit. All right, there we go. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, like it's got a crust, so like when you break through the crust, it gets real soft. You get on top, it takes off rolling real good. I'll use my old tracks here. I think we're just gonna go for it, guys. All right, airborne. 65. Man, that's fun.